Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change profile picture on Google Mail or Gmail. So let's get to it. First of all, open your Gmail application on your phone, and after that you can click on your profile button right here on the top right corner of your screen. Then you can click on manage your Google account, and then hold on, it's still loading. Okay, and if we want to change our profile picture, we can click on personal info right here and just scroll down until you find profile picture option. And if you want to change your profile picture, you can click on your profile picture right here. Then okay, and you can click on change right here to change your profile picture. Okay, let's just click on change. Okay guys, and you can select the profile picture from illustration, Google Photos, or device photos. And for me, I'm just going to select photos from my device. So I'm just going to tap on device photos right here, and then you can browse or tag a photo for your profile picture. And I'm just going to browse photo from my device. So I'm just going to click on files right here, then select the photo. And for example, I'm going to select this one. Okay, and after that we just need to wait because it's still loading. Okay, and we can crop or rotate, but if you want to skip this step, you just need to click on next button right here and click on save as profile picture. Okay, and wait. Okay guys, and now the profile picture has been updated, and that's how we can change profile picture on Gmail app. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.